Welcome back, ladies, to Real Women of Philadelphia. Anna Olson here, and can you believe it's week 6 already? Oh, and have we had a lot to talk about. I love how the community has blossomed. But week 6 is side dish week. This is a second chance for you to submit your cooking videos featuring your favorite salad, vegetable course, potato, pasta, however you like to work cream cheese into a side dish. And to get you inspired and thinking, I'm going to share my favorite side dish, especially this time of year, fresh asparagus with a lemon chive cream sauce. I have to confess, asparagus has to be my absolute favorite vegetable. And this time of year, when it's in season, I want to eat it every day. But I'm always looking for new ways to prepare it, to keep it interesting. And so this cream sauce, made with soft cream cheese as a base, is easy to do and really keeps things fresh and spring-like. So what I do is start with half a tub of the softened cream cheese. And I like to melt it over low heat. The cream cheese does melt easily. I'll give it just a second to soften up. And now that it's softening, I can whisk in half a cup of milk. And I find you can use 1 or 2%. First a little to smooth it out. Then I can whisk in the rest. And I'll hold the sauce at just a low heat, and then I add in a little finely grated lemon zest. Another perfect springtime flavor. And as that sits on low heat, I can blanch the asparagus. So I've taken this beautiful fresh asparagus, trimmed off the ends, gave it a good wash, and now I have a pot of boiling salted water here. So I'm going to blanch the asparagus. I don't cover the pot, but just drop it in. And fresh asparagus this time of year only takes a couple of minutes to cook. So I'll just let that sit. Right before I want to serve the sauce, that's when I add the chives. So I'll just chop them up. But if you don't have chives in your garden, of course, you can use the chive cream cheese as a perfect option along with the lemon zest in the recipe. And I'll whisk those in. Doesn't that look pretty? All right, now it's time to check that the asparagus is done. There's 2 ways you can check. You can either run the asparagus under cold water or in a bowl of ice water, which I'm going to use in a minute. And so when the asparagus bends without breaking, that's sign number 1. But of course, tasting is the best way to know. Yep, beautifully tender. So I'll turn the heat off and use tongs. And this bowl of ice water is a great trick because what we're doing is shocking the asparagus. So immediately halting the cooking. That sets this brilliant green color and also stops the cooking, so I know it will remain perfect. The asparagus has cooled off, but is not entirely cold. And now I'm ready to plate. When you're doing your cooking videos, remember that presentation is a part of the recipe. You need to show off a little bit here. Make your recipe just look as spectacular as I know it tastes. So here it is, a beautiful taste of spring on a plate, fresh asparagus with a lemon chive cream. I hope I've inspired you to think about side dishes in a different way. Use that cream cheese, grab a camera, and submit those cooking videos to realwomenoffphiladelphia.ca.